Yo, they're saying that your rear wheel is crooked.
Oh shit.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. I am back on my Sur Ron today. Man, I love this thing. What a crazy machine. We might have a brand new rider joining us today as well. And also, guys, you may notice or not already, by the time this video is out, this should have been already announced, but got my own Volted gloves. These are amazing, very nice and comfortable material. We got touchscreen on all fingers. These are super nice. I got them in small, medium, and large. That's just a way to kind of show love and support the channel if you guys are interested in that. So definitely make sure to check that out. And I also have this. This is our little VoltedAdventures keychain. Very cool. It's just a way to show support for the channel and actually get something in return. So if you guys are interested in these, I'll definitely have a link. Appreciate you guys. What up? Yo, look at this thing. This is electric too. That's crazy, man. I've never seen this. What brand is this? Crazy dual shocks over here. Comfortable looking seat. We got the display. What is this? Does anybody know what this is? I don't see any markings on there. If you know, drop a comment with what this is. He's got his blinkers all messed up, but that thing looks sick, man. Other homie just arrived with his Sur Ron. He's got the fastace forks, got the Bach 8000, and we got a bypass battery. This is not the original red, huh?
I got a powder coated.
Nice. Powder coated red. Yeah. And this guy's rocking only a front brake. Look at it. Look at this guy, a front brake only, no rear brake. What a psychopath. Got direct mount, but he's complaining how his headset is loose. I'm like, dude, you need spacers. He's got no spacers over here. So this bike is cool, but needs some work. Meep. Yeah, let's go. Sur Ron in traffic. Whoa, this area changed. Beautiful. Yeah, that thing is fun. Alright, time to close the visor. Get situated. This time I think my rear tire isn't like not overinflated. So this should be super fun. Keep our distance though, just in case. I don't want to ride his ass. Oh yeah, dude, this rear tire is so insane. One of the better upgrades I could have gone for this Sur Ron. Man, this area is a little overgrown. Oh yeah, getting that Milk Racing 16, man. What a difference. And this Bridgestone M204, they just complement each other so well. Feels really good. Grips like no other. And I'm a Milk Racing ambassador, so if you guys are interested, use code VOLTED and get yourself a nice discount on your Milk Racing wheels, accessories, whatever. They do all kinds of things.
Yeah, did you tell him that?
No, we'll tell him. I didn't see it, but we'll tell him.
Oh, it's really like, this is straight, it's like going like this.
Yo, they're saying that your rear wheel is crooked.
My real one?
Yeah, it's not going straight. You're going like, you're tracking sideways.
Oh, shit. Yeah, it's bad when you're going fast.
That's gonna mess you up. You gotta be careful. You gotta adjust these.
Oh yeah, this. Oh, I see what it is.
I don't have the back brake. What the fuck? Yeah. No, I have regen.
Yeah, your wheel needs to go like this.
What is this?
Yeah, that's kind of dangerous having your wheel like that. Oof, this is getting worse and worse too. Man, we're about to have winter season 2. It's gonna completely ruin this. It's really beautiful up here. Man, look at this thing. It's all turning green. So beautiful.
Alright, you guys. I'll catch you guys. Alright, bro. Have a good one. Enjoy your
Take
ride.
care, brother. Next time, come with my battery, man. You'll be able to ride longer, you know what I mean?
Alright, you guys.
Alright, brother.
I'm gonna hold you up.
Take care, man. You know your way back and stuff, right? Cool.
Appreciate it.
Alright, brother. Yeah, so homie had to, you know, head back. That's the problem with those bypass batteries, man. Before you know it, they run out of juice fast, and you don't have that BMS to cut you off. You can completely ruin a battery. So I understand him. About to go to our view spot. How are ya?
Doing good.
Beautiful day, huh?
Oh, love it. Woo. I love it. Thank you. You look awesome, you know, man.
What's that?
This is your camera.
Yeah, recording for YouTube.
Wow. Very great. Yeah, awesome. Hey, have a good
Yes,
day.
sir. Thank you. Take care. This spot is absolutely gorgeous. Haven't been here in a little while. Look at this. I have never seen one out here. That is wild. Meh. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. Want to try it? Let's try it. Right now I'm recording on the brand new GoPro Hero 12. What's crazy is so I've had the 8, right? I had the 8. I have 2 of them that I've been using for a while. I was like, all right, time for a brand new camera, and I bought the 11. I was like, yeah, and I was excited. I was like, hell yeah, brand new camera. I actually shot a video on it when I did the we took the Talaria, the XXX for a spin, and I've had the camera for like 2 weeks, and then out of nowhere they released the 12 on me. And I was like, come on, hell no, you're not pulling an Apple on me. Returned the 11 to GoPro right away, got my money back, and like the same day I returned it, I went to Best Buy, and I go and they had it on display. I tell the guy, yo, I need this. I'm about to go check out, and as he's ringing me up, he's like, oh, I'm getting like an error. I was like, what's going on? And he's like, this is like, I can't sell this to you yet, it's not out yet. And I was like, what do you mean? It's on their website and everything. But I guess the release date was like the 13th or something like that, and I came a few days earlier. I was like, you know what, I'll still go ahead and pay for it now, and then I'll just come pick it up. He's like, cool, that works. And yeah, on the 13th I went, got an email, went, picked it up from Best Buy. So right now we are on the newest GoPro 12. This trail is getting a little crazy here.
Oh, okay, I know where we're at. I know exactly where we're at.
Oh. Whew. That was intense. And these places get just absolutely demolished from rain. Oh, here's a coyote. Coyote. He's running. All right, a little hill climb action. Avoid the poop. Ah, this is fun. This is fun. Let's continue this. This will be our last viewing spot right here. This is a cool spot to kind of end it on. We got Volted gloves and I have a Volted keychain. Check them out. It's a cool way to help, you know, support the channel, support me and what I do, and you get something cool in return, which is gloves. Everybody loves gloves. Hopefully you guys appreciate it and show some love. That would be appreciated. But thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.